This is the instruction video for the pre-filled pen. The biological should be stored in the refrigerator in its original box. Take the box out of the refrigerator and let it warm to room temperature for 45 minutes. Wash your hands. Get your supplies ready to inject: an alcohol wipe, a cotton gauze, ball or bandage, and a sharps disposal container. Check the label of the pen to be sure you have the correct medicine and dose. The expiration date has not been passed, and inspect the solution through the viewing window. The liquid should be clear and colorless to slightly yellow. An air bubble is normal. Lay the pen flat on a flat surface. Choose your injection sites, the thigh or the belly area, except for the 5 centimeters or 2 inches around your belly button. Choose a different site each time you inject. Clean the injection site with an alcohol wipe and let it air dry. Remove the needle cap by pulling it straight off. Hold the pre-filled pen so that you can see the window. For adults, you don't need to make a fold of skin. Place the needle cover on the skin at a 90-degree angle. Press and hold the pre-filled pen firmly against the skin until you cannot see the needle cover anymore. There will be a click. When the injection starts and the window will start to turn yellow. Keep pressing the pre-filled pen against your skin while watching the window turn entirely yellow, and you will hear a second click. Wait 5 more seconds after hearing the second click to ensure you get your full dose. Pull the pre-filled pens straight up. The needle cover will cover the needle. If needed, slightly depth the injection site with a cotton gauze or ball to stop any bleeding and apply a bandage if needed. Dispose of the pre-filled pen and needle cap in a sharps disposal container immediately after use.